Hello everybody and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about the Tiger Action Automation for Workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your sub account and execute actions related for workflow for your VTiger account. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace. Let's search for the app Tiger. You go at install. You come down here at allow install. As you notice, in order to get the installation going, you have to provide the username and the access key. So how do we get all those information? We just have to switch to our VTiger account. Inside VTiger, we come here, my preferences. We have the username here and the access key. So we copy, paste, go and get the access key, copy, paste, we go continue, we select the plan, we confirm, and we have uninstall, which means that we just connected our tool to our VTiger account, and now we're able to execute actions directly from your workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your inquiries. Thank you for watching this video, guys.